Hello children, welcome to everybody. Here is Jayant sir. Today I am going to teach you mathematics of standard 8 and the chapter name is rational numbers, and we'll start from that exercise 1E. And today's learning scopes are, first one is that representation of rational numbers on the number line, then inserting rational numbers between two given rational numbers, that is first method, and second method. Then method of finding large numbers of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. And at last we are going to solve that exercise 1E. Let's start the representation of rational numbers on the number line. Before going to start that, children, I am telling you that draw a line of suitable length and mark it that here arrow mark, and in the middle you give mark a point that is O, which represents that 0. Now this is zeros, that is this side is right side and this side is left side, and mark the points towards the right side with equal intervals, that is dividing into equal parts, that is A, B, C, D, and mark and put the name marking that 1, 2, 3, 4 like this way. And towards the left side also mark the points like that, equal parts also you divide, then mark the points A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and so on, and name it that -1, -2, -3, -4. Children, now open your book, page number 22, example 11. Question is given that represent 1/2 and -3/2 on the number line. Children, here you observe that here both the denominators are same. Both the denominators are same. As I told here, draw the line, a suitable length, mark in the middle that O. And here comparing to this one, here I have drawn that the parts I have given that little bit more gap I have given. O to A more gap and A to B also more gap. Here O to A dash also more gap, A dash to B dash more gap. Why it is? Now each part I have to divide the two equal parts because denominator is given that 2. So now you go on that. Now another thing I can say you that why you have come to that up to B and why you have come to up to that B dash. Why it cannot be C dash and why it cannot be that C this side. No, because that positive side 1/2 it is given. If you are dividing that 1 divided by 2, it is coming that 0.20, that is 0 point something it is coming. That's why this number falls in between 0 and 1. And this one -3/2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. That means -1 point something it is coming, that it falls in between that -1 and -2. So that's why -2 maximum I have written here. Actually here I have written that minus, here I have written that maximum to maximum, supposed to write that up to 1, but I have written that up to 2, no problem. So go on marking that each equal part, each part is divided into two equal parts, two equal parts, two equal parts, and go on counting now. This is 1/2, this is 2/2, reducing means coming 1, that is 3/2, this is 4/2. But question is given that to represent that 1/2, so we can write here that 1/2 and name it that P. Now our aim is that -3/2. Come to the minus, that is negative left side. This is divided into two equal parts. Now go on counting that -1/2. This one is that -1/2 and this one is that -2/2. Reduce it. It is coming -1. Then -1/2, -2/2, -3/2, -4/2. Here also reducing, -2 coming. But question over that -1/2, -2/2, -3/2. This is the question to given to represent us. So I name it that, mark a point Q and write here -3/2. Then write the therefore P represents 1/2 and Q represents -3/2. Next, children, come to that example 12. Represent -5/3 and 4/3 on the number line. Like that way, draw a line of suitable length, put the arrow marks on the both side, and in the middle you mark that point that is O, which represents that 0, and it is given that question is given that 3 denominator is given that 3, so each part we have to divide that 3 equal parts. That's why I have taken that little bit gap here. So O to A and A to B. So 3 equal parts means we have to put in between 2 lines, means it is coming that first part, second part, third part, 3 parts we are dividing like that. A, B, within the B also this is one part, this is another part. O, A dash dividing, A dash, B dash in between, this one dividing. Now go on marking that. This is how many equal parts you have divided? 1, 2, 3, 3 equal parts means each one it will be 1 out of 3. So 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3 equal to 1, then 4 by 3. Question is given that 4 by 3. So write down its point, make it the points P, and 4 by 3 you give it. Now it is minus 5 by 3. Come to the left side. This is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 3, sorry, 1 minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3, minus 4 by 3, now minus 5 by 3. Now give its name that Q and mark it here that minus 5 by 3, that is represents that Q represents minus 5 by 3. So therefore you can write that P represents 4 by 3 and Q represents minus 5 by 3. Now come to that, how can you insert the rational numbers between two given rational numbers? Before going to start with the children, if I will be asking that what is the number between that 5 and 7? If I will be asking this question, automatically you will give that answer that sir 6. But how did you get that 6? Who has told you? How did you know that 6? Any idea? Oh, nursery class, Mary madam has told you that after 5, 6, then 7. So between 5 and 7, that is number is 6, you are telling. So children, it is right, but thing is that how we have got that mathematically. You do that 5 plus 7 divided by 2. 5 plus 7 divided by 2, that is 12 divided by 2, that is coming that 6. Like that, all the between numbers you will be getting that doing plus, then make it half, you can get. So now also we are going to that way also, first method, inserting the rational numbers. I am telling you that first, if A and B are the two rational numbers, then like that way I told that between number, how can you find out that A plus B divided by 2 is also a rational number. That means its value lies in between that A and B. For example is that if A and B is greater, suppose, then we can write out in between, we can, how can we write A right less than A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2 less than B. Example, I am telling you that what is the rational number between 5 and 8? So we can do also 5 less than 5 plus 8 by 2 less than 8. Now coming that 5 implies that 5 less than 13 by 2. 5 plus 8 equal to 13 by 2 less than 8. And whenever we are dividing 13 by 2, it is coming that 6.5. As it is written 5 less than 6.5 minus 8. So which number lies in between 5 and 8? That is 6.5. Similarly, this is 5 was greater. So here A less than B I had done. Similarly, we can do also if A greater than B, we can do also same way. If A greater than, between these two, look at here, A plus B by 2, middle number greater than B. And example, look at here, 8 and 5. 8 is greater than 5. So I can write now that 8 greater than, and between number I can get also 8 plus 5 divided by 2, then greater than 5. Now 8 greater than 8 plus 5, 13 by 2 greater than 5. So 13 by 2, it is coming that 6.5. So this is the between number, between that 8 and 5 we got. Now come here that example 13. You open your book, page number 24, insert two rational numbers between 7 and 8. I have done here. Children, between 7 and 8, which one is greater? 8 is greater. So I gave that sign, that is 7 less than 8. So it is greater. Between these two, I have to find out 7 less than 7 plus 8 by 2. Half I did. Then less than 8 wrote. 7 plus 8 equal to 15. So I am writing that here now. 7 less than 15. 7 plus 8 equal to 15 divided by 2 less than 8. Now implies that 7 less than 15 by 2 equal to 7.5 less than 8. So question is one rational number we got that between 7 and 8. But question is given that to find out the two rational numbers. We can find in between this 7 and 7.5 one more rational number, or we can find also 7.5 and 8 in between. Wherever you can take out, that is right. But I have taken out in between that 7 and 7.5. Look at here. 7 implies that 7 less than, between these two, 7 plus 7.5 by 2 I wrote. Then less than, middle number it was 7.5 as it was I wrote. Then less than 8. Now come here that 7 implies that 7 less than, 7 plus 7.5 equal to 14.5 divided by 2 less than, then 7.5 less than 8 I wrote. Then 14.5 divided by 2, if you are dividing, you are getting that 7.25. Other things as it is I wrote. 7 less than 7.25 less than 7.5 less than 8. Now here that 7 and 8 in between two rational numbers you got here. This is 7.251. Another one is that 7.5 here got. Therefore you can write. Now come to the second method. Method number 2. For any two rational numbers A by B and C by D, fractional type, which one is there? Then how can we get that middle one? A plus C divided by B plus D is also a rational number. Now children, you open that example 16 in your book. Example 16. Page number 25. Find three rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. See, before going to solve this one, we have to find out that in the book it is not given, but you have to do finding out that greater than or less than. So between 3 by 5 and 4 by 7, find out that greater 1. So here I have taken out that, see here, the cross multiplication done. 3 into 7 equal to 21 and 5 into 4 equal to 20. The first one is greater, means this first rational number is greater. So I can write now that according to question, I can write that 3 by 5 is greater than 4 by 7. So implies that 3 by 5, then in between these two means this is 3 plus 4 divided by 5 plus 7. So I wrote here 3 plus 4 divided by 5 plus 7 greater than 4 by 7. Now come here, implies that 3 by 5 greater than 3 plus 4 7 divided by 5 plus 7 equal to 12 greater than 4 by 7. Now in between 3 by 5 and 4 by 7, one number we got, one rational number got, that is 7 by 12. Now question is given that to find out that three rational numbers, but we got that only one. So we can take out now, look at here, in between two, these two, 3 by 5 and 7 by 12, one number we can take out, one rational number. Again between this 7 by 12 and 4 by 7, between these two also again we can take out that another rational number. Now come here, implies that 3 by 5 greater than, between these two, 3 plus 7 divided by 5 plus 12. Wrote greater than, but it was 7 by 12. 7 by 12 you write. Children used to forget write this one. Whenever writing this one they used to forget. So don't forget this one. Then greater than. Then in between these two I can find out that 7 plus 4 divided by 12 plus 7. So it is not that. Then greater than what it was, 4 by 7. Now implies that 3 by 5, 3 plus 7, 10 by 17, greater than 7 by 12, greater than 7 plus 4, 11, 12 plus by 12 plus 7 equal to 19, 11 by 19 greater than 4 by 7. Children, look at here that whatever we got, that 10 by 17, 3 by 5 and 4 by 7, whatever the rational numbers we got here, can you reduce it? It is not able to 10 by 7, not able to reduce, 7 by 12, not able to reduce, 11 by 19, not able to reduce. So directly you can write the answer that required rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 7 are 10 by 17, 7 by 12 and 11 by 19. Now we are going to find out that whenever that is one between that two rational numbers, given that find the two rational numbers, three rational numbers, okay. Whenever the large number of rational numbers to finding out, it takes long time. So that's why we are going to learn that shortcut method, the methods of finding large number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. See that example 17, then only you can understand. Example 17, insert 5 rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 7 by 8. So here denominators are not given same. To make it the same, I have taken that LCM of 4 and 8 equal to 8. LCM wrote. Now make it into the like fraction as it is. 3 by 4 into equal to 3 by 4 into it is LCM is 8. So 4 into 2 equal to 8. Numerator, denominator 2 means numerator also. Multiply that 2, 3, 2 just 6. Now got 6 by 8. And 7 by 8. 8 into 1 then 7 into. So these two we got that 6 by 8 and 7 by 8. But question is given that 5 rational number. Look at here. Since 5 rational numbers are required between the 6 by 8 and 7 by 8. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 5 means 5 plus 1. One more it is 6. Here I have given, I can take you that one example why we have taken that 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Children, on the road if there will be 5 poles are there. You come to that your real world of example that 5 poles are there on the road. So if you count that how many gaps are there in between, draw the line on your copy and see count how many gaps. There is the 4 gaps are there. That's why I have to find out here that 5 rational numbers. So that means plus 1 I have done that 6 and 6 I am taking means 5 rational numbers can get. That's why I have taken that 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Now you multiply, we have got that 6 by 8, 6 by 8 into, that is into 6 into 6, that is 36 by 48 and 7 by 8 also multiplying 6, 6, then 42 by 48 we got. So here 36, denominator is same 48, 48, starting from 36 and here 42. We can go on counting that 36, after 36 by 48, that is 37 by 48, then 38 by 48, 39 by 48, then 40 by 48, then 41 by 48, then after that this one 42 by 48 it comes. So you can write now that required rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 7 by 8. Don't write that 6 by 8 and 7 by 8. So question is given that 3 by 4 and 7 by 8. So you will write that 3 by 4 and 7 by 8 are 37 by 48, 38 by 48, 39 by 48, 40 by 48 and 41 by 48. So children, now let's start that example 18 what it is given that insert 7 rational numbers between 5 by 6 and 7 by 9. Like that way you can find out that LCM of 6 and 9. Then after that 7 plus 1 equal to 8. You will be multiplying with the both the denominator and numerator and then you go on writing. Let's start that your exercise 1E. So I am not doing that question number 1 and then question number 2. You see that on a number line mark the points 2 by 3, minus 8 by 3, 7 by 3, minus 2 by 3 and minus 2. Excluding minus 2 last one, you look at here that question, all the denominators are 3 means each part you have to divide into 3 equal parts. Then after that positive rational numbers you represent, then minus rational number, negative rational numbers you represent. Either or anyone can be done. I have taken here that draw a line of suitable length and in the middle give that point that is O, which is represented that 0. Now A, B, C, here A dash, B dash, C dash. Each are taken that each equal parts, each equal interval I have taken that A, B, C, D and 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 it is written. And each part 3 equal parts means denominator 3 means you have to write the 3 equal parts means in between two lines if you are drawing 3 equal parts 1, 2, 3. Like that A, B 1, 2, 3. B, C 1, 2 that is also 3 equal parts. And this side also to A dash in between 1, 2. A dash and B dash 1, 2. Then 3 equal parts B dash and C dash 1, 2. 3 equal parts it is coming. Now go on counting that. This is 3 equal parts means this is 1 by 3. That is 2 by 3. Question is given. Your question is given. That's why we represent that P. 2 by 3. Then 3 by 3 it is 1. Then this one it will be what it is 4 by 3. Then 5 by 3. Then this one is that 6 by 3. Then this one is 7 by 3. Question is given that 7 by 3. That's why written that 7 by 3 and Q. Then this is 8 by 3. This is 9 by 3 means reducing 3 it is coming. But question is given that 7 by 3. Let it be. Now come to that left side, negative side. That is minus 1 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Question is given that minus 2 by 3. We are given PQ. That's why represent that R. Minus 2 by 3. Minus 3 by 3. Dividing minus 1. Minus 4 by 3. Minus 5 by 3. Minus 6 by 3. Question is given. Our that minus 2. Minus 6 by 3 means minus 2 it is. Minus 6 by 3. Minus 7 by 3. And minus 8 by 3. Question is given that minus 8 by 3. I think almost everything we have represented. This is 2 by 3. Minus 8 by 3. 7 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. And already here minus 2 is there. So mark the points that is P, Q, R, S. So therefore P represents 2 by 3, Q represents 7 by 3, R represents 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3, B represents minus 2 and S represents minus 8 by 3. So question number 2 finished. Now children look at the question number 3. Bit third I have done because there is that one decimal is there, that's why I have taken. Insert one rational number between 2 and 3.2. Which one is greater? 2 and 3.2. 3.2 is greater, that's why I have given the sign that 2 less than 3.2. Imply that 2 less than 2 plus 3.2 divided by 2 less than 3.2. Imply that 2 less than 2, 3 plus 2, 5.2 divided by 2 less than 3.2. Now 2 less than 5.2 divided by 2 equal to 2.6 less than 3.2. So what is the one rational? Therefore the not written here, you will write that rational number between 2 and 3.2 equal to 2.6. Now come to that question number 7 children. Insert 6 rational numbers between 6 rational number, large number of rational numbers. 5 by 6 rational numbers between 5 by 6 and 8 by 9. Here denominators are not same, so you have to make it the same. You have to take that 6 and 9 LCM is coming that 18. 5 by 6 equal to 6 into 3 equal to 18. Then numerator also multiply that 3. 5 3 is 15 by 8. Then 8 by 9 into how much it is 2. 9 2 is 18. 8 2 is 16. 16 by 18. But question is given that how many? It is 6. Rational numbers means 6 plus 1. That is 7. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. 7 we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator of this 15 by 18 and 16 by 18. Now look at 15 by 18 equal to denominator, both numerator and denominator multiplied by 7 because 6 rational number it is 12. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Then 15 7 is 105. 18 7 is 126. Then 16 by 18. 16 into 7 112. 18 into 7 126. So 105 to 112 but denominators are same. That means between number what it is coming after 105. 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111. So you can write also 106 by 126, 107 by 126, 108 by 126, 109 by 126, 110 by 126, 111 by 126. Then after that what comes? 112 by 126. Now reduce, we can reduce, which are the things are which are able to reduce, we can reduce now. This is 2 3 sorry 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10, 2 3 are 6. This one not able to reduce, and this one we can able to reduce. It is 18 7 the 126 and 18 6 the 108. Then this is not possible to reduce, and this is able to reduce, that is divisible by 3 both are. So 3 6 are 12, 3 3 sorry both are both can be reduced by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, it is 2 5 are 10, 2 5 are 10. And this one not able to reduce by 2, so it is able to reduce by 3. So 3 4 are 12, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 7 are 21. So equal to, we can write now that this one we got that 53 by 63, 107 by 126, 6 by 7, 109 by 126. Now this one we got that 55 by 63, then 37 by 42. Therefore, I have not written here therefore, but all should write that therefore that. Therefore, 6 rational numbers between 5 by 6 and 8 by 9 are 53 by 63, 107 by 126, 6 by 7, 109 by 126, 55 by 63 and 37 by 42. Children, remaining questions you will solve for you, that homework exercise 1E. So thank you. See you again in the next class.